Snipperinos!
What's happening?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beans. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there watching Pluto's Sweater.
Yes, she is.
A couple of weeks ago, Turner Classic
Speaking
Movies,
of.
Yeah. A couple of weeks ago, TCM showed some classic Disney movies like Cat from Outer Space and Bedknobs and Broomsticks, and they had some shorts attached to them. And
This was preceding the Cat from Outer Space.
yes, so now Josie's obsessed with Cat from Outer Space.
Which is great because that's one of my favorite movies from when I was younger.
So before we get to for the reason that we're here, first of all, 7 days.
From the day that we're recording this,
I think I'm going to
days.
go ahead and put it up tonight.
Okay, so 7 days.
7 days till Disney World!
And we will be at the place that we all wish to be. At Walt Disney World.
Oh, God, we need this vacation so
I can't
bad.
wait to hear the words, welcome home.
I know. It's going to be our first DVC stay, and we're staying with, we're sharing this trip with Magical Moments.
And we're also going to run into Mermaid and Jedi Adventures.
We're going to hang out with them a couple of days.
And we're hoping to have a Magic Geekdom.
Yeah, hoping to see Magic Geekdom and
sighting, and stuff like that.
And stuff like that. I think we're going to see them actually that Saturday when we leave. They're going to be that morning at Hollywood Studios.
So if you have not already subscribed to these folks, Magical Moments and stuff like that, Magic Geekdom,
Mermaid and
Jedi Adventures, please go check them out because they're all wonderful people and they all have their own unique perspectives on the parks and what they like to do and how they like to do it.
Yeah.
So, it's good.
Second of all, I have done a haul before with things that I purchased from Lillian and Company. If you don't know, Lillian and Company
I'm wearing one.
Do or do not, there is no
There
try.
is no try. It's a Yoda-ism.
I love their company, Charity Craig. I can't remember the name of their YouTube channel, but Charity Craig started it, and they make the most exquisite jewelry. So I got me a couple of things that are actually not Disney related, and of course they named Lillian and Company after Lillian Disney. But if you know anything about us for the past couple of months, you will know our love for the movie The Greatest Showman.
Oh yeah.
Well, they have a couple of bracelets, and I bought in rose gold. It's going to be hard to see because of how shiny it is, but this is me. And one other. And I love their packaging. It's just everything is just gorgeous.
It's almost reminiscent of Tiffany's,
yeah.
only it's not.
It comes
turquoise.
it comes in that soft pouch and in the box. Yes, absolutely. And in silver, I got. See if you can see it. Rewrite the Stars. So if you have not gone and shopped for the special woman in your life or man, they do have like a Star Wars collection that's in like the matte silver.
And they have different quotes.
Yeah, they have different quotes. I think for Star Wars, it's like hope, do or do not, there is no try, and never tell me the odds. Yeah, so go give them a check out. You'll love their work.
And if you haven't seen The Greatest Showman, where have you been?
Right.
Go check out that movie. They got so shafted at the Oscars. It was criminal.
Absolutely. But the reason why we're here is
What's in the box?
That's right. We're
gonna find out.
So
we gotta wait and see.
So once
don't know.
again, our friends with Mickey's Mystery Box has sent us a box. So we're going to find out. Our usual disclaimer: this is the Spoonful of Sugar box. It's their small monthly subscription box. It's $29.99, and with shipping, I pay it's around $40 a month.
And we are not affiliated with Mickey's Mystery Box. We do this because we like it.
We are not affiliated. I pay my own money with this. We are featured on their website.
One of our videos. Done with our permission.
It was done with our permission, but we believe in Mickey's Mystery Box. And if you saw our unboxing from last month,
oh my gosh, they
went way above and beyond.
So customer
everything.
service is literally on not 100 but 1,000 because it was evident that they had watched our previous videos and there were things in our last box
Just go back and watch
Yeah,
last month.
go watch because that unboxing was epic.
So we have taken the tape off. We have not looked inside. So let's find out what's in the box and unbox the magic. I did.
It's as is tradition.
As is tradition.
Oh,
I don't think it's going to stay much with it. So I see something Star Wars right off the bat.
Yes, you do. It's a pop.
Well, it's not called Pop though. It's Dorbs.
Okay, that's fine.
It's Dorbs 009 Star Wars vinyl collectible Luke Skywalker with speeder.
That is awesome.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, he's got the eyes and everything.
So Funko also does a similar thing, and we have the Funko version of this. So this can go right beside it. That's awesome.
Yeah, so what's the retail on it?
The retail on this is $29.99. So there's the
That's
cost of the box.
That's cost of the box right there.
That is awesome. I love that. And that's going to go right beside our Funko Pop of the same type.
Yes. So now we have it's a magnet. Ooh, it's a Disney, Walt Disney World 2018.
That's awesome. We collect refrigerator
magnets. So
that's
this is
awesome.
Perfect. But you can see it's blue and it's got the multicolor 2018 Walt Disney World, and it is price point purple, whatever that is.
Yeah, whatever that is. But that's awesome.
Okay, I see something else. Star Wars.
I love how they cater to what we.
And that's something else you can. What, Josie? We can. We'll fix
give
it.
it a second.
We'll fix it. So that's another thing. You can customize. You can tell them what you like.
And obviously they watch your videos and see what you like.
Yeah. So here's another thing. There's another.
Oh
Star
my
Wars
gosh!
thing.
Oh, that's awesome!
It's a stacking meal set. I was going to say stacking meat set.
That is awesome!
Oh my god! And look, it's a Darth Vader.
No.
It's a Darth Vader stacking meal set.
It's awesome.
So here, look, show the side. So you have a bowl,
a saucer,
and a cup. Oh,
that actually could be for Josie.
Yes, it could. Actually, I think it is.
Yeah, this look, Josie. Look, you've got new bowls, and it's Darth Vader.
Well, wait till we finish.
Wait till we finish.
What's the price point?
Price point is in Shanghai, 49 yen.
Okay, there you go. Oh, and look what they sent for Josie.
Oh my goodness. Josie,
they sent you some stickers.
They sent you some stickers.
What's funny is Josie used those same stickers on a project for school. It looks like we got an official Speedway license for Tomorrowland Speedway, Mickey Mouse.
First class license.
It says this is certified that the owner of this card is licensed to drive at the Tomorrowland Speedway. You put your name and the date and Magic Kingdom.
That's pretty cool. So do you want a license for Tomorrowland Speedway? Okay.
All right, this is the last thing.
Where's the button?
Well, there's not a button.
There is no button.
Well, how are you going to get the freeze out?
Well, we'll get them out. We just have to open the box.
Silly girl.
But they're bowls and cups. But they're Darth Vader bowls and cups.
Hey!
That's great. No! See, it's Darth Vader right there.
We wouldn't lie about Star Wars.
And there's cups. See, it's cups and plates and bowls. So you can have snacks in a Darth Vader. Oh, no. Tops for the cup. The bowls.
Oh.
Tops for the bowls. The bowls are sealable. That's awesome. And you can use the tops for the bowls as saucers.
Oh yeah, finally got this thing unwrapped.
Hey, it's just like a driver's
It is just like a driver's license.
Dead men tell no tales.
Hey, Dad.
This is some sort of a
Can I
cup.
show you the ice cream?
Here, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back.
It's a bowl.
So,
And it's $12.99. Whoa,
Awesome.
no, hey, hang on, Josie.
Okay, so
So-
while I'm gone, why don't you plug your channel?
Ha! Channel. Oh yeah. Well, let's talk about this first. It's a bowl, and it says on it, "Dead men tell no tales." That's pretty awesome.
I want to be in. I'm going to be in.
You want to be in?
Yeah.
So what she was talking about to plug my channel. I also have a separate channel.
Can I have some?
What? You want some? Okay. You just took it all. There. I also have a separate channel if you didn't already know. And it's called Rants of an Uber Driver with the Gooch. And we talk about situations that have happened and do happen while I'm out driving Uber to make extra money so we can go to Disney World in 7 days. Go check that out. Give it a like, subscribe, make some comments on some videos if you want. I think there's about 6 or 7 videos up there right now. And we're putting up a new video every single Friday. So there's a new one up there that went today because we're filming this on Friday. And Josie is playing with the packing confetti. It's awesome. I'm stoked about that. That's really cool.
Yeah. I'm trying to get these things on my...
Trying to get those things on your head.
I need to balance.
You need to balance.
Hey, can you give me some things under there? That one, right there.
I can't reach it.
There's some.
All right, so we talked about the bowl. We talked about the new channel.
All right, can I get in my
All right,
seat,
Josie,
please?
let Mommy get in her seat.
Hey, can I?
That requires you to move over. No,
Josie, can you move over and let Mommy get in her? Oh, or are you gonna come this way?
of course she's going to come that way, the hardest way possible.
Yeah,
Because she's
because-
5. That's what she does.
Yeah.
All right, so. All right, so to recap this box, we got the Star Wars stacking meal set.
Meal set.
That's really awesome. Oh my gosh.
And we got the Dead Men Tell No Tales bowl.
So I wonder what kind of bowl this is. Is it like a potpourri bowl or?
It's awesome bowl is what it is.
Oh well, yeah, it's because it's Pirates of the Caribbean. It says
And
Dead
then
Men
we
Tell No
got-
Tales.
Then we got the Walt Disney World 2018
I think.
Refrigerator magnet.
refrigerator magnet.
And
Then Starbucks.
Star Wars.
Star Wars, and that's Luke Skywalker and his land speeder.
And your
It's a
Skywalker.
vinyl figurine
Yes.
called
And you-
Adorbs.
Oh, I gotta have that.
And I guess that's supposed to mean because they think it's Adorbs.
It's
See, it has a...
Totes Adorbs.
It's totes adorbs.
Yeah, this is kind of different.
It is kind of
It is
different.
kind of different.
All right.
The
So,
17 is about...
That's a magnet.
all right. So
And then
once again, another great box
Oh,
from
yeah,
our
awesome.
friends at Mickey's Mystery Box. Thank you so much.
Total thumbs up.
So once again, we are going to be at the park starting Friday. We're going down a little bit early. We're going to go have dinner with some friends. May head over to the Contemporary and go up to the lounge on
And we'll see some fireworks, maybe.
maybe. But we are going to be there November the 23rd through December the 1st. So if you are going to be in the parks and you see us, please come by and
Stop
say
by and
hi.
say hi.
We love to hear from our fans, and we appreciate you guys so much. You
Yes,
just have no
absolutely.
idea. And we appreciate Mickey's Mystery Box for this amazing box, as always.
And you folks from Mickey's Mystery Box, if you're gonna be there around, hey, say hello.
Please,
we would
please.
love to thank you in person for everything that you do.
Absolutely. So Wednesdays, our trip vlogs will continue. They will not be one the week that we're down there. I think
Maybe we can do a live.
we might do a couple of live streams.
Maybe
while
we'll
we're
do a
there.
live stream while we're at the park.
Maybe
we'll
on
see.
maybe on a rider too.
We'll see how it goes.
see.
No promises, but maybe.
We'll see. So, all right.
So stay tuned.
Yeah. So we
So,
got
I went to Vegas. I went to
what she just said.
Exactly.
All right, Josie. So how do we sign off? Do you remember?
Love! Peace! Why?
So in case you didn't speak 5-year-old, that's love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
See ya.
Mwah. Bye, guys. Well, what will we do?
See you later.
That's right.